In this video, I'm going to show you a quick, easy way to take your wheels from this to this. What's up, people? So I'm out here in the garage cleaning up the wheels on the 65 Impala. These are some used wheels I got off a buddy of mine. As you guys can see, the polished lip here, which is aluminum, is pretty stained and dirty. There's the back wheel here, and here's the front. I don't know if you guys can see the oxidation on there. What I do is show you a quick, easy way and a product that I use that clean these wheels up real nice. I already went ahead and did the passenger side, and that's just one swipe. As you guys can see, it came out real nice. This is the front. And here's the back wheel. So I'm happy with the way they came out. I could probably hit them one more time, but for right now that looks good. Nice shine to it. So I'm going to show you guys what I did and the product I used. Alright guys, so this is the product I end up using. It's the Blue Magic Metal Polish Cream. I tried some others on a section of the wheel earlier and it didn't seem like it worked too well. So I went to my local auto parts store and I ended up picking this up. And what I did was, instead of going by hand and polishing it, I ended up using this yellow pad. I got one of these polishers from Harbor Freight a while ago. Put a yellow pad on it. You guys can see how dirty the pad is from doing just the passenger side. But it was real quick, a lot easier than hand polishing it, and this Blue Magic worked real well. Show you guys how I did it. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and apply the metal polish cream here. I just usually use my finger. Now the wheel is clean, it's been rinsed off already. Just go and spread this out a little bit. Don't have to use a lot. I'll go ahead, start polishing it with the pad. I usually turn the pad down and then I work up to the speed. On here it says probably about speed 2 or 3. Start off at 1 here. Then what I do is I got a microfiber towel here. Just go ahead and wipe that off. As you guys can see already, it's already got a nice shine to it. Looks way better than before. I'm doing this video because I know a lot of people got aluminum wheels, especially on classic cars, and seems like it's trial and error to see which product actually gets these wheels to shine. So I just want to help anybody out so they can go ahead and they don't waste their money and buy the right product first. Let's go ahead and do the rest of this wheel and we'll see how it comes out. Alright, so that's one swipe round with the pad and one coat of the Magic, and it's already looking real nice. Like I said, you could do it, hit it one more time just to give it a little bit more of a shine. Obviously, the more you polish it, the better shine you're gonna get and remove all the stains and oxidation. But I'm pretty impressed with this polishing compound, and I think it'll work for a lot of you guys out there that are trying to get your wheels or any type of metals polished up. It's a pretty quick, easy way to do it. So I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, hit that like button. Guys, got any comments, go ahead and post them below. Guys, like what I'm doing on my channel, go ahead and hit that subscription button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.